For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the wording of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a goat farming business can be both profitable and sustainable. With the help of AI, you can plan smarter, reduce risks, increase efficiency, and scale faster. This step-by-step guide will show you how to launch your own goat farm using AI tools and smart prompts for every key phase of the journey. Step 1. Research the market. Use AI to analyze market demand, prices, and competition. You'll want to identify which breeds sell best, what products are in demand, meat, milk, manure, fiber, and your local buyer base. Use tools like ChatGPT for market research and analysis prompts, Google Trends to spot rising interest in goat-related keywords, Pinecone or Vector Search AI to cluster relevant data from agriculture sources. Sample prompt. ChatGPT, analyze the market potential for goat meat and milk in your region. Identify trends, consumer demand, pricing, and common buyer types. Step 2. Choose your niche. Focus your goat farm on a specific purpose. Meat production, milk production, breeding, fiber, Angora or Cashmere, or a mix. Ask ChatGPT. List the pros and cons of raising goats for milk versus meat in a small-scale farm setting. AI tools like Notion AI or ClickUp AI can help you structure this decision into a mind map or pros and cons board. Step 3. Create a business plan using AI. This is critical for both guiding your vision and applying for funding or grants. AI tools to use. ChatGPT or Jasper for writing full business plans. Tome.app to generate pitch decks from your business plan. ChatGPT Code Interpreter to build projected cash flow models. Prompt. ChatGPT, write a goat farming business plan focused on meat/milk/fiber production on 5 acres, targeting local butchers and farmers markets. Includes sections like executive summary, market analysis, breeds and production strategy, financial projections, marketing plan, operational plan. Step 4. Secure land and equipment. Use AI to evaluate land suitability and cost comparisons. Tools like ChatGPT with GIS data plugins or Google Earth Pro can assist. Prompt. ChatGPT, what are the key factors in choosing land for a 50-goat farm, and what is the minimum space needed per goat? For equipment lists, try. List all necessary equipment for starting a goat farm for 50 goats, including fencing, shelters, feeding systems, and milking equipment. Step 5. Choose the right goat breeds. AI can analyze breed suitability based on your region, goals, and climate. Prompt. ChatGPT. Compare Boer goats, Nubian goats, and Alpine goats for small-scale meat and milk production in your location. You can also use Breed or Livestock Management app, which uses AI to recommend breeds and track genetics. Step 6. Set up infrastructure and housing. Use ChatGPT or AI design tools like Planner 5D or Room Sketcher to create layout plans for your goat shed, fencing, and pasture rotation. Prompt. ChatGPT. Design a goat farming facility layout for 50 goats on 2 acres, including shelter, feeding stations, and quarantine area. Step 7. Create a feeding and health plan. AI can generate feeding schedules and nutritional plans. Use tools like ChatGPT for diet planning, Semantria or Feedly AI to stay updated on livestock health trends, Livestock or Farm Wizard for AI-powered farm health tracking. Prompt. Create a 6-month feeding schedule for meat-producing Boer goats, including vitamins, minerals, and pasture rotation. Step 8. Comply with legal requirements. Use AI to identify necessary licenses, inspections, and regulations. Prompt. ChatGPT. What legal licenses, inspections, and health certifications are required to start a goat farm in your state or country? Use Harvey AI or Do Not Pay AI for legal form-filling automation and understanding regulatory frameworks. Step 9. Plan for breeding and expansion. Use goat management tools with AI capabilities, such as Goat Pro or iLivestock. 2. Track lineage. Predict optimal breeding times. Log medical and productivity records. Prompt. ChatGPT. Create a breeding calendar and goat productivity tracking system for 20 female goats and 2 bucks. Step 10. Develop a marketing strategy. Use AI marketing tools to build a brand, design materials, and advertise. Tools include ChatGPT or Jasper for content creation and ad copy. Canva AI for logos, posters, and social media posts. Surfer SEO or Copy.ai for web SEO optimization. Loka AI for branding kits. Prompt. Write a 3-month marketing plan for a new goat farm selling milk and cheese locally and online. Also try. Create 5 Instagram post ideas with hashtags for promoting goat milk products. Step 11. Build an online presence. Use AI to design a website with tools like Durable.co AI Website Builder, Wix AI, Shopify with AI plugins if selling products. Prompt. ChatGPT. Write a homepage, about us, and product page for a goat farm called Sunny Acres Goats that sells raw goat milk and soap. Step 12. Monitor and optimize farm operations. Once operational, use AI to monitor productivity and automate tasks. Tools like AgriWeb or FarmBright offer AI-backed dashboards for livestock tracking. DieWise or Zapier AI automate farm task notifications, inventory, and finances. ChatGPT Code Interpreter. Analyze spreadsheet data for trends in costs, productivity, or sales. Prompt. Analyze the spreadsheet and suggest ways to reduce feeding costs without compromising goat health. Step 13. Diversify income streams with AI insights. ChatGPT or analytics platforms can recommend new ideas. Goat yoga, goat milk soap, organic fertilizer for manure, goat cheese or kefir production, breeding and selling kids. Prompt. Suggest 5 profitable goat farming add-on services or products that can be marketed online and offline. Step 14. Stay educated with AI-curated updates. Use Feedly AI or ChatGPT custom GPTs to stay informed about trends, diseases, techniques, and market changes. Prompt. Summarize the latest trends in goat farming from agriculture publications and YouTube farm channels. Final thoughts. Starting a goat farm has never been more data-driven and manageable thanks to AI. With smart planning, targeted prompts, and modern AI tools, you can streamline every stage of the journey, from planning and setup to marketing and expansion. Whether you're raising goats for milk, meat, or niche products, AI is your silent business partner in growing a successful operation. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.